Okay, 67 Coronet RT 4-speed. We're doing the console boogie. There's the 4-speed. I've got the new shifter boot to go on. The old one was ripped to shreds. There's the top plates over here. I'm going to clean those up and then redetail the silver wells around the outside. Probably tape them up. I've got the paint for it. There's the old side carpet from the console. And here it is, all new carpet installed. And it's funny because the factory console carpet comes with vacuum form to fit. So everything's nice, neat, got brand new carpet. The old stuff was faded. And so when it all goes back together, it'll be greater than the sum of its parts. How about that? I just made that up. So anyway, 67 Coronet fans. This black beauty is going to get a little dress up on the interior and just a little bit of an improvement. So there you have it.